Hello everyone. So this series is all about replenishing all those lost nutrients causing premature aging, early signs of aging so fast on the skin, boosting and building collagen and elastin levels so you can have your skin looking always very youthful and radiant without wrinkles or those fine lines, and having your skin looking so beautiful. So you can have a cup for breakfast. This is a very good breakfast replacement to nourish up your system plus fortify it with nutrients so you can live healthy, free of sicknesses and diseases as well. So the first thing you need is a green leafy vegetable. I always go for spinach. I love the taste of spinach, but you can replace with kale, any other green leafy vegetable of your choice, but I go for spinach because it is loaded with vitamin E to boost collagen production for that youthful agelessness to the skin. So what you need is a handful of spinach. You just want to get a handful of spinach and make sure you wash with water and vinegar just to make sure you don't have any like dead residues, like it, you really have it really clean before you can consume, and vinegar and water will have it so clean. This has all the green chlorophyll your system needs to function properly. Your skin cells needs to always stay fresh and younger. Like, this is really good. So this is my handful of clean spinach. The next ingredient I'll be adding will be avocados, which will provide antioxidants in here, omega fatty oils to give your skin that plump youthfulness to it, plus vitamin E and C to boost collagen levels for that youthful radiance to the skin, plus a very plump, fresh skin free of dryness, causing the fine lines and wrinkles. So this is what you need to do. You get one avocado, you wash thoroughly, take off the bag and slice up into some good sizes that you can actually get the without the peel, like you see me doing. What you need is the fruit. So this is very healthy. This is a superfood. It will not only help you boost collagen levels and have your skin looking radiant without dry skin. This is equally very nourishing for good health. It will load your system up with so many nutrients because this is a very powerful superfood. Avocado is one of the superfoods in the world. So this is one avocado. I'll be adding half a pineapple in here. Remember, for breakfast, I love my breakfast a little bit heavy. While nourishing up, I want something that will keep me full for long, and pineapples have really they really help me stay so full, plus they are loaded with nutrients, most especially the bromelain in the middle of the pineapple, the vitamin C in it to give me that freshness to my skin pores, the bromelain to help facilitate the breakdown of whatever I eat so nothing stores up, causing belly fat and weight gain, boosting metabolism. Plus this is a very healthy breakfast alternative with all these ingredients. That way you eat and it breaks down so fast without anything storing, causing belly fat and weight gain as well. So this is to double up to boost collagen production while leaving your skin so fresh and helping you maintain a healthy body size as well. So this is the third ingredient. The fourth ingredient I'll be adding in here is banana. Very good for anti-aging. Supplies your body with the potassium you need. Plus it is equally very filling. Remember, I have my smoothies as breakfast, so I want them kind of filling, and bananas will help to keep you full and you only feel like eating by 2 p.m. So this is something you want to add in your smoothies if you're looking to eat healthy in the morning and have something that will keep you full for long. You want to add in banana. So this is my one banana, handful of spinach, half a pineapple, and so in case you missed, here I'm adding in my handful of spinach in here. If you don't have spinach, you can substitute with kale, any other green leafy vegetable, but I go for spinach because of the high amounts of vitamin E in spinach. So that is why I love spinach a lot. So you just put all your ingredients, your one banana, handful of spinach, one avocado, half a pineapple in your blender, and I always just add in some ice cubes just to have this chilled, that ice creamy kind of feel. So it doesn't, when you don't add ice cubes, it is kind of, just trust me, when you add ice cubes in here, you enjoy it more. So this is very nourishing, a combination of green leafy vegetables and fruits. Like combination of fruits and vegetables, you are not like, this is very powerful. This is very powerful combination of greens and vegetables. This is good to boost that I can't reiterate enough. So you want to blend to get a very smooth consistency, like everything mixed up well together. That is when you know it is ready for you. Like if you notice, all the green has been blended, it blends really good, because trust me, it can be very difficult for you to just get raw spinach and consume. So this is the best way to get in your vegetables in their raw and best form, so the spinach really gets into your system without any interruption, like really fresh, and nourish you up for that youthful radiance to your skin, for that healthy skin, because trust me, you look exactly like what you put into your system. So nourishing up with nutrients like this, healthy recipes like this, trust me, you will always be healthy. You will always be healthy because your liver loves this. Your liver loves healthy foods. Your liver loves superfoods like avocados, loves green leafy vegetables for the chlorophyll. So if you nourish and load up with this, trust me, your skin and health will be at the utmost level. So this is something you want to try for beautiful skin, good health, nourish, and yeah, so very fortifying, good for your gut health, your organs, and everything. Like this is a very healthy breakfast idea or alternative. You want to start your day with a breakfast like this. It is so filling, it will keep you so full for hours without you feeling like eating till around 2 p.m, and it equally digest so fast. That way you hardly have all the belly fat people are struggling of now. Like most people are struggling with belly fat. Having this for breakfast, where will the belly fat come from? So this prevents you from even having the belly fat in the first place and struggling to. So if you're to have a pizza for breakfast, just go for this rather than your pizza. You will not have belly fat, but your pizza will bulge your belly with fats. So this is it. You maintain a beautiful looking skin if you eat this way. If you nourish your system, you look at my pores are so fresh. My skin is really so clean and youthful. At my age, I am proud of my skin. The most, like, this really increases your self-esteem. You feel so proud of yourself when you look at your skin and it looks so fresh. Yeah, so try these recipes, share them with your family and friends, so we can all maintain beautiful and healthy looking skin, boost our self-esteem, and be proud of ourselves as well. Yeah, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you and bye. See you again in my next video. Mwah.